Not the most comfortable spot, but it looks nice here. Yeah, this will work. There's one of my peanut butter packs. Got to munch on. I have no soup. I'm not gonna have any soup. I've yet to try any of this soup. What I'm gonna have is a quinoa bowl. I had one of these as a different flavor. It was actually pretty good. I like about them. They got fill lines on them. Tell you where to fill them to. And I'm gonna cook right here. I knocked it over. I'm doing good. Let's slide it here then. Trying to light the Isba tab. I will need another one though. It won't be enough. Water in there. I don't know why that thing does that. More than enough right there. I've been up here when this water is really flowing through here. Pretty nice. annoying about it is these things don't got no oxygen absorbers in them. That's what I never understood. But I think what there is they're vacuum sealed. Probably need this other one. Put it on there and it'll start burning. Yep. Of course, I bring you back for the quinio bowl. This is linto with organic quinio, tomato, spinach, and green olives. And then you put some extra virgin olive oil in it. And they're actually pretty good. I've had one of them before, and it actually was pretty good. Yeah, that's really good. Of course, anything that comes from wild zoar, usually pretty good meals. There you go. It's actually pretty good. Now, if you don't like quinio, I can't help you. I know somebody doesn't like quinio, but it is actually pretty good. What time is it? It is, yeah, it's 9:15 right now. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna sit here, relax, enjoy the scenery. Finish this and then hike back to my truck and get ready for my hike up into the canyon where I'm gonna backpack up to and camp out. I'll bring you back when I head that way.